Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover TikTok account without email or phone number. So let's get started. Open TikTok app and you should now create a new account. When you create your new account, go to profile, tap on profile at the bottom right. I create new account and then we should open main menu. Tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now from pop-up menu proceed to settings and privacy. We should find report a problem option. Here is it. Tap on report a problem. Alright, now we scroll down a little bit and you will see feed, search and share here. Select it. Open feed, as you can see here, first option. And then select other. Okay, now we should tap on need more help. And here you should enter something like that. I, for example, create text. Hi TikTok support, I forgot my password and I don't have access to my email or phone number anymore. I can't log into it now. Then you write something. Please help me to recover my account. I can provide any account ownership proof. And now you should enter your TikTok account's username, that you forgot your password and you don't have access to your email or phone number. Then you should enter something like you can reply to me to this email and enter your email address, and then of course say thank you. If you have some screenshot about your account, you can upload here for screenshots about your account. Then when you finish, tap on done and of course tap on a report, and then just wait for the reply to your email. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.